Hello YouTube. Today I have decided to make another change in my setup, and that is with regards to its RODI unit. A few days back I was collecting water for my next water change, and I saw there's a lot of water wastage. So upon searching the net, I've come to know that if I install another membrane in series, and then not only I can use the wastewater twice, but I can also increase the overall speed of the water collection as well. So let's see how I have done it. So all I had to do is I have installed this additional membrane. How I have done the connection is that this is the first membrane. If you can see, this one is the first membrane. This is its inlet, and here, from here, this water goes. This is its dirty water out, and the one which is at the bottom is the clean water out. So I have utilized this dirty water, and I have put it inside this new membrane again. So the wastewater which was actually going out, now I have given its way back into this new membrane. And then this new membrane, if you can see, again there are two ends. This one is again this dirty water, and this one is the clean water. So this dirty water now goes, so this out, and this now into this drain. And what about the clean water? So the other two clean water outlets, that is one, this one, and the other one is this lower one from the other two second membrane. I have gathered them here into this switch. If you can see, this one is coming from this clean water from this membrane, and this one is coming from the bottom side of the first membrane, and this is where they unite. And from here I send them back to this this inside filter distributor, where then it goes back to this last stage where it is tested for chlorine and odor smell. It takes out, and finally this is out, and finally it comes here before this DI reservoir. And this is what I start for initial 10 minutes, so that I can utilize, I can see how much TDS to save on my this resin, DI resin. And when it's around 14, 13, 14, or even less, if the filters are changed, I switch it off. And then when I switch it off, this thing, and the water goes to the resin, and from here this one is actually going inside my drum, where I will show you next. So this is the general small little change that I have seen. The water out has reduced and the water in has increased, because of now water coming out of two membranes simultaneously, and increasing the overall water inside this clean water drum that I have for the salt mix. And I don't have to add any other motor in this regard. So it is just you can say it is in parallel. It can be adjusted into series as well, but then the pressure reduces. So I decided to, let's first check it out onto parallel itself. The membrane is in series, but the water out seems in parallel. So let's see how much difference it makes. Gentlemen, this is you can see, if I can, the water has speed inside which is coming has dramatically increased, because it is now not coming from one membrane. Now it is coming from two membranes, so the speed has doubled. The water wastage has reduced, because the waste from one is now going back again into the second membrane, and that second membrane is now cleaning it, and both the membranes giving equal amount of water to this DI resin from where it is coming here in this tank. So this is the different setup that I have done. So this is at the moment water being mixed, and it's exactly the 14th day. I've just added around 2 kgs of water into my 60 liters to make it 1.025 for specific gravity. And as you know that this is my semi-auto water setup, that as soon as the water reaches 60 gallon, this will stop, and I will switch off this RO filter, and I will put on the heater. I will put on the air bubble stone here to aerate the water, and then I'll change the water as soon as the parameters reaches and resemble the water of the main display. So hope you have enjoyed this little video which I have made of not of that quality, so apologize for that. But still, there is something which we can always do, and my aim of making such videos are generally the videos which are not so common or generally practiced, so it can help the reefers go a step ahead in their hobby. So please feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel for me to be motivated to make more such videos. Thank you very much and take care. See you next time.